Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Friday, June the 12th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. It is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open from Monday to Fridays between 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I am live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off, either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. So I'm in a trade right now, but I'm just going to put a price alert on it. But kind of a strange day. Again, we were down 1,800 points yesterday. So the market this morning, though, actually got up to 600 points, up positive 600. And then it had this big decline here, and it almost got flat. It's had a little pop, and now another bit of a decline. So, I mean, probably a lot of people thought, well, okay, it'll be a nice recovery day. But boy, once that market opened, it really did not recover. So we'll have to see what happens. I mean, the market is putting in another red candle here. So consequently, a lot of long plays, not very productive today, obviously, right from the beginning. But even bounce plays, this is, it's only half an hour. Didn't get a really strong trend for the bounce plays. And I think people, people were probably looking at this and thinking, okay, great, but we need at least 4 or 5 red candle or green candles before people would have the confidence that, okay, maybe we could have a bit of a longer trend and maybe we can get back up to these levels. But I mean, right now it doesn't look good on the SPY. So, but I got to show you one trade that I took. Oh God, I bet I will. So I'm getting really interested in following. This is this basic new highs and lows, no repeat version, okay? And what I've been finding in the last couple of weeks is following these when, say, 1:30, 2 o'clock on. And we see a lot of situations where a stock is kind of resting, and then it has a little bit of a pop. You can see, it's hard to see here, because it's kind of exponential. But there was some volume that came in here. We had an alert from this window. I think the alert was actually at $1.95. And I looked at this, and then it came back down to 187. And at this point, I closed the room. I was closing the room right around here. But I ended up taking this trade at 210. It was at 210. And this is, remember now, this is kind of right at the end of the day. And I held some into the after hours. And man, look at the run it had. And I got out virtually everything at 479. Now, I was sort of joking. I said, too bad I didn't hold it overnight, because look what it did overnight. Excuse me. It got all the way up to $11. But it is, it's coming right back down. But I'm really liking this window, following it towards the end of the day. And it's giving us a lot of looks like this. Stocks that have popped and then kind of rested for a while. And then, kind of out of nowhere, the traders get excited about it again. And volume comes in and we get some moves. So that is, definitely my focus later on in the day. I'm in this one right now, this COCP. This came from this window also at 132. Kind of bided my time a little bit. And why am I in this is because if you look at the weekly show it, yeah, I mean, you can see on the weekly chart, it has room. Look left. I mean, the next high looking left is way up here at 225. So I'm not saying it's going to get there, but that's all I was looking at, getting rid of all of this, in this weekly candle. And again, look at the daily candle. Yeah, I mean, that daily candle is taking all this out. So we'll see how much of a run it's got. It's I don't know what the float is, to be honest. Let me just see what the float is. Yeah, it's not a low float. It's 46 million in the float, but definitely having a nice little run. And again, I'm in at 132. I think I said 132. Yes, 133, sorry. So we'll see what happens. The high is 144. I'm not expecting like a ton of action on it, but it gets up to the high 40s. That'd be a nice little percentage move. So that is about it, guys. I want to get back into the room and again really start to look at this. I'll be back in the room about 1:30. So 1:30 on, we get some really interesting. These are the low float, under radar type stocks, ones that really don't care what the overall SPY is doing. So basically, we call those the alpha stocks. They almost don't care what the overall SPY is doing. They don't care what its sector is doing. They're just kind of trading on their own for a while. I'm not saying you can, ride these for days or anything, but they can give us nice little trades. So let me bring back the capture program. Okay. So this is if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use, and this is the link for the free room. And I'll open the room 9 o'clock Monday morning. So I hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll see you in the trading room around 9 o'clock Monday morning. Bye-bye.